5K, good morning. Here we go with our math meeting for today. You remember what I always ask at the beginning of every single one? How many days are there in a week? Do you remember? 7, right? 7 days in a week. Let's do the song. Ready? There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. And what day is today of these 7? Remember which one? I'll give you a hint. It starts with T. Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Say that. Ready? Today is Tuesday. Very good. Let's move on to our months. How many months are there in a year? Do you remember? Let's count it out today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in a year. That's right. And you can stand up on the floor, on the ground, and do the song and the dance with me. That helps us remember our months of the year. Go ahead. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Thanks, boys and girls, for doing that with me. And what month are we in right now? Do you remember? It's one of these orange ones. Yeah, October. We're in October right now. And take a look at our calendar to see what day in October we're on. Well, boys and girls, yesterday we were on this day, which was yesterday was the 12th. So we're going to get up to today, which is what comes after 12. After 12. And if you're not sure, you can always look at this yellow number line down here too. Now that we're up to past 32, it'll always tell you what after a certain number. So after 12 comes 13, that's right. And what two numbers make up a 13? 13. Yeah, a 1 and a 3 make 13. And yeah, 13 is the first teen number, right? 12, 13. Teens are the ones that end in teen. So what shape are we going to have today for our shape pattern for the month? Remember, our pattern is rectangle, circle, circle. So take a look at what we have going on for 10, 11, 12. What will we have for 13? Yeah, you can tell we're going to start over with our pattern with a rectangle, rectangle, circle, circle. You can tell that because before that we have a rectangle, circle, circle. I'll finish one right before that. We're going to start new with a rectangle 13 today. Yep. So October 13th is how we say that date today. So let's write it. If you have a pencil and paper, you can write it with me. And I'd love to see your neat writing the date today. So what always comes first when you write the date? Yeah, the month always comes first, right? And as we said, we're in October. So let's write it. As we said before, every day, the first letter of the month is always capitalized, right? And this is a capital O. Yep. So go ahead and make a capital O for October. And what letter comes next? Oc. What letter makes that sound? Yep, a C. We've seen C's before. So go ahead and make a lowercase c, touching vanilla in your bottom line. Oc. What letter makes that sound? Yeah, a T. We have a T And the RTs always go from top to bottom, and then we cross on vanilla. All right, we're 3 letters in. What's next? October. Octo. This letter makes O sound. It says O. It is O, right? So go ahead and make a lowercase o next to your T. Nice, easy O. Next, remember what's next? October. What letter makes the sound? Yeah, a B makes that sound. And to make a B, go top, bottom, and then make belly right, right? Top to bottom, belly to the right, just like that. All right. And our last ones, you remember what 2 letters go together to make er? What 2 letters er? Yeah, the E and R say er. So let's make an E and R. An E, you start between vanilla and bottom line to the right, and then you make a C pretty much right after that, like that. And then for the R, you do vanilla to the bottom, trace up, and then give it a hook like that. All right, and now we've written October. Go down. What do we do next after the month when we're writing the date? What comes next? Yeah, the day, the number of the days. And as we said before, we're on the first key number. Remember what the first key number is? Yeah, 13. So go ahead and make a nice 13 next to October. Top to bottom, and then for 3, it's halfway around and around again. Like that. All right, and what can you not forget when you write a date between the number of days and the year? Yeah, your cute little comma, your sideways smile next to your 13. And tell me if I'm right. Do I write comma down here? No. Do I write it here? No, I don't write it in the middle either. I make it right on that bottom line next to the 13. So go ahead and make it right there next to your 3. All right, boys and girls. The last we're missing from our date is now the year, right? The year. What year are we in again? Tell me what year. 2020. Very good. And what is the first number in 2020? A 2, right. So go ahead and make a nice, neat 2, curving around and sliding to the right. Just like that. Next comes after the 2, we have to make a 0, right? Nice big 0 next to the 2. And then after we have our 0, we make another 2, right? So go ahead and curve around and slide to the right for that one as well. And our final number, our last number, is another 0, right? Another 0. All right. October 13th, 2020. Here we go. Grab your microphone and let's announce the date today. Ready? Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is October 13th, 2020. Very good, kindergartners. Thanks for doing that with me. Let's move on to our days in school. You can see from the yellow numbers that yesterday we were up to 32 days in school, which means today, what are we going to be up to today? After 32 comes 33, yeah. And 33 is made up of 2 3s, 3 and 3. So you can mix them up, but it'll still the same, right? So we will put our 33. And since you are not here, I will fill in the 33rd square for us to show 33 days of online school. All right. Now that we know we're at 33, we can put in our tens and ones column. How many tens and how many ones? So how many tens are there in 33? 3, right? So you can look there. So I'm gonna make a 3 for our tens column. And then how many ones in 33? 3 ones, right? 3. The same answer for both this time. 3 ones and 3 tens. All right. We can move on to our pattern for the day. So if you did date with me, go ahead and write the pattern with me too. So say the first 3 ones that we have so far. Ready? 6, 8, 10. All right. This time, what is going to come after our 10? This is going to repeat itself, right? So we go back to the beginning. Yeah, it'll be a 6, right? So when you make your 6, go ahead and slant on down and put a curl. All right. After we have our 6, what comes after the 6 in our pattern? Yeah, an 8. An 8 comes after our 6. And when you make your 6, go ahead and make a nice, neat S like that, and then go back home to where you started. All right. And what is going to be our last number in our pattern? Yeah, the one that has 2 digits in it, right? 10 is the last number for our pattern. Go ahead and make 10 your last number, which is a 1 and a 0. That makes 10, right? All right. So go ahead and say the pattern with me again. Okay? So ready? 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10. All right, boys and girls, thanks for doing that with me. Let's move on to the weather. Go ahead and check the weather in your house while I sing our introductory song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right, boys and girls, I hope that it's a cloudy day for you. Well, I don't hope that it's cloudy for you, but my phone predicted cloudy, so that's what we're going to put on our graph for today. And so go ahead and sing the cloudy song with me. Ready? It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. All right, boys and girls. Now, our cloudy tower is really tall now, isn't it? How many cloudy days do we have so far? Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cloudy days. And then how many sunny days? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 sunny days and 6 cloudy days. We'd have to double our sunny days to make up how many cloudy days. All right, let's do our final part of our math meeting. Let's talk about shapes. What kind of shape has no sides and is completely round around the outside? Yeah, that's a circle, isn't it? No shape or no sides, no corners or angles around the outside. That's a circle. How about what kind of shape has 3 sides and 3 angles? Yeah, that's a triangle, right? 3 sides and 3 angles, right? Triangle. And what kind of shape has 4 sides and all of the sides are the same length? They all are the same length. Yeah, that's a square. Oops. 4 sides And you can tell by looking at it that they are all the same. It's perfectly the same each side. All right. And my final shape that I have for you, this one has four sides and they're not all the same, right? Two of them are longer and two of them are shorter. Yep, a rectangle. That's our last shape that we have today. Too long and too short. All right, boys and girls, thanks for doing that with me today. I hope you have a good rest of your Tuesday. Have a good day at work.